Hey, beautiful, healthy people. It is Elmira, always helping you become a self-care boss. Today is a little bit of a different video. I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of a spiritual bath in the rain. It happens to be just before sunrise here. And what I actually did, I just danced in the rain. It was so cleansing. Sometimes we can get afraid of the rain. We don't want to get wet. You know, when it rains, we need our umbrella. And what I want to tell you to do, one of the things on your spiritual journey, your healing journey, your self-love journey, get out, get nude. That's what I did. I sung, I played in the rain, I danced. I let the rainwater cascade down my back, down my sacrum. Ooh, and it felt so cleansing. That's what I just did. As you can hear, the raindrops are falling. Oh my goodness. This is just a out of this world experience I can't describe. It is like ecstasy because you hear the sounds, you get the water, you feel it. So all of your senses are activated. Ah, yeah, feel that. Like right there. It is so beautiful. That's all I got for you today. Cleanse in the rain. Cleanse yourself in the rain. You will feel so much better. The next time it rains, just don't say, oh, I'm just going to go to sleep. I'm going to take a nap. Ooh, I hate the rain. No, it's your time to clean. God is giving you a message. Go out there and cleanse your body. There is nothing like a bath in the rain. Until next time, remember you can book your healing massage session with me at theselfcareboss.com, theselfcareboss.com. Also, I have a 6-week transformation program that helps you unlock the real you. Send me a message on the website and schedule a consultation to see if it's the right fit for you. Theselfcareboss.com. Make it a relaxing day. Bye.